So this is our vehicle description writer. And what we've done over the years is we used to write comments to sell the vehicle, and then products like vAuto and other solutions like that came along where they do a massive vent explosion and it decodes. And then inside of our comments, we're no longer selling, we're just doing a data dump that nobody reads. For example, through the images, you can already see that the vehicle has third row seats and that it has a backup camera or that it has heated seats or that it has navigation. Also, on most modern websites, it's already decoded on the sites with some fancy little widgets that show that. So, all we're doing is wasting our time and the consumer's time by just dumping things into a box that nobody reads. So, what our system does is it actually rewrites your content to where people will read it and start to take mental ownership, and it provides it in a very readable format. So you've got a couple different options here, and I'll show you one simple way, and then I'll show you a way that most of my clients are doing right now. So you can say, give it the vehicle, and then your star attributes. So let's say it's a Porsche. We got low miles, loaded, service records, one owner, local trade-in, and the system will output content as if the manufacturer wrote it. And as you can see, it's a lot more legible. Or what you can do is you can take your data dump that you've created inside of your inventory management system. Let's do that here. And then you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is the comments that we're giving customers. Nobody can read this. Nobody does read this. It's awful, right? But we also have the things down here, your SEO content, and hey, here's our telephone number, call us in, right? So that is actually valuable, but nobody actually sees that because of all the garbage on top. So let's take a comment that's already existing on your website and put it into our system. Here we go. So much better. Introducing the Highlander XLE, where sophistication meets practicality and a seamless blend of style and functionality. This SUV is designed to elevate your driving experience, offering a perfect balance of comfort, technology, and safety. And then it takes all those attributes and it puts them into a readable format. And then you still get your SEO content down here, and then you get your telephone number down here.